Hey, and welcome to today's episode of Countdown to Code Black, our Black Friday sales event. Now, today we're going to go over a couple of social media templates that we have available for you guys. Now, you'll see that two of those templates say Black Friday on them. And while they can be used specifically for Black Friday, I want you guys to open up your minds a little bit to the possibilities of it being used outside of Black Friday. Now, with any template that is created in our shop, it's meant to be a base for you to go ahead and configure to fit your specific brand. So, with that said, although this has a bit of like a ticket or receipt vibe to it, you can go ahead and use it for any type of sales event that you're having within your business. So don't condition your mind that is solely for Black Friday. Black Friday is just one time out of the year, but that is not the only time you're going to sell something in your business. So as I've mentioned, you can use it for your specific sales event. Think of it like Prime Day. Prime Day happens multiple times throughout the year. It is Amazon's own sales event, like exclusive to them. And you can also have a sales event exclusive to you. And even if it's not exclusive to you and you're just having a sale, you can use this type of a graphic, regardless of the fact that it may or may not be Black Friday. So I'm just going to go through the templates so you guys can see what they look like before you guys go ahead and purchase them during our sales event. So we have a couple of different variations for you guys. The format is the 4x5 that is available on Instagram right now. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think they changed all profiles to fit 4x5 when it was originally the 1-to-1 ratio. And so this will show up nicely on your profile rather than you using the 1-to-1 ratio. This is a banner that you can use as well. And then another I believe this one of them is a Facebook banner and another is a social media banner. And so you can utilize both of them. You could either use it for your email as well, just so that you can stay cohesive throughout. Now you have your story templates as well. And you could always add animation so that if you want things to be more dynamic, you want them to move, you have the opportunity to do so as well. All right, now our Black Friday neon, Black Friday lime is what it's called, has its own look as well. And again, it's not exclusive to just Black Friday. Any sales event that you're having, you could even utilize it for an event. And let's say in these boxes, you're just putting the date of the event. You can utilize it for that as well. Again, keep your minds open because this is just a design. Just because something is designed for something specific doesn't mean that it can only be used for that thing. So this is where creativity kind of comes in for all of you guys. Again, you have your banner options and then your stories as well. And then we have Lux Coach, which is for a personal brand. It could be for a personal brand, however you would like to use it. And again, it is in the 4x5 ratio for an Instagram page. It'll show up nicely on there. And then we have our stories options. And I just give credit to where the photos came from. For the Black Friday, these are AI photos that I designed. And so you would just swap them out with your own as well. And so that's what we have for these set of social media templates. There will be a bunch more. And so stay tuned for that. If you have not signed up for our Code Black event, you definitely want to go ahead and do that by visiting thedesignfirmacy.com/code-black and sign up so that you can get early access to our exclusive deals with 0 wait time. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.